Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it. Sorry, something went wrong. There was a problem posting your status. We have logged the error and we'll look into it. So how you can fix it? So mostly you just log out from your account. So you just need to log in into your account and just try to post again. And also you can try another thing. So just check your internet connection, because it can caused by your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find, if you're using Wi-Fi, just find Wi-Fi here, just open it, just turn off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data, turn off and turn on again your mobile data. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. So I hope that it will help you. And then the latest way you can try, just go to App Store, just open App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab just write here Facebook, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update. It means that you have available updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.